What's up, guys? Today we're going to be focusing on a key concept in web design. We're talking about the concept of the box model. The box model is based on the notion that content on our web page is laid out in the form of boxes. Content are aligned side by side or stacked one on top of the other, just in the way boxes are in an arrangement. You know what? There is no point talking too much. Let us visualize how the box model works as it relates to web pages. Let's turn our attention to the screen for a visualization of the box model. Here is a basic web page. We can obviously see it is made up of a heading, some filler paragraphs, few images, and some small buttons. The box model is a simple idea that each of these HTML elements is treated as a box. You can imagine a boundary for each of them. These boxes sit next to each other and stack on top of one another depending on the properties we give them. Web content is not like a PowerPoint slide where stuff is simply positioned wherever, but it's more like a Microsoft Word document where content flows naturally from the top left of the page. That's the default on web pages too. Now, this actually gives us tremendous flexibility as we can get to create layouts for all kinds of screen sizes and devices. Using CSS, we can style elements each treated as a box to respond to all kinds of devices. Their positions and sizing and spacing can respect each other nicely. The thing about the box model is that we can organize boxes inside of other boxes. This heading is a box, this paragraph is a box, that's a barrister's box, a Brax box, a Barack Obama box, and then the box. And since we put all these boxes in another box, that box can be used to organize and style the boxes inside. Here's a practical example of a layout we might develop for the web. And since each of the elements are inside our boxes, we can move and push content around using padding to affect the space inside of the box and margin to affect the space outside of the box, in between that box and the boxes around it. We can use these concepts to control the styling and the layout for each and every element on our web page.